Hey YouTube, Sandy Frank here. Today I'm going to be opening up hobby box number 3 out of my case of 2017 Star Wars High Tech. I would never have bought a case of this when it first came out because it's just too expensive, but now it's dropped way less than half off of what it was brand new. It's down to like 30 something a box. Things like, and when you buy it by the case, you get even cheaper per box. So it's almost like $30 a box. So it's almost like you can't miss this stuff. And buying it by the case, you're pretty guaranteed to get at least one pretty good auto in it, maybe more. I opened another case of this a couple weeks ago. Well, not a couple weeks ago, a couple months ago. And got 3 I thought was really good autos, and a couple other ones that were nice too. So the stuff is really awesome, especially when you can get cheap. Okay, so we're gonna flip these cards to the front. Alright, so we got General John Dodonna out of 99. Let's leave that because it's numbered. And it's fun to try to collect the different patterns and stuff from High Tech. Especially, like I said, if you can get it cheap. If you're paying, don't pay too much for a box for this. There's a Luminara Unduli, Barriss Offee, a Rebel Sentry, Captain Cassian Andor, a Mortis Sun, Wald. That's a 1 of 1. Holy cow. Didn't even notice that. That's a 1 of 1 black. Nice. And that, I think that he was the little baby, little kid Greedo character from the Phantom Menace. And then we have an auto, Ian White as Moroff. And actually, I do have this auto, so I will be trading that one off. But that is really cool. There's the back of the 1 of 1. Wald, 1 of 1. That's pretty cool. Alright, stay tuned for more videos.